Hello guys, this is another episode of Trade Based Speed where we trade the market. This is Apple this morning, this evening, guys. Three stock we're gonna talk about recap of the market. Apple, guys. So Apple has had a downtrend all the way to the 217.45. Guys, this downtrend could still be continued, but then Apple retrace all the way, Apple retrace all the way to the 223.09 level. And this level right down here, guys, had another rejection all the way to 220.66 and we closed at 220.84. Now the market after hours is 221.06. We could wake up tomorrow and Apple just hold on this 221.06 level and go all the way to 223.40 and still go back to 224 or 225 level. But if we do reject, I have a target level all the way to that 219.44, all the way to 217.50 again. Rejecting the 215 level, we could see 214, lower than that, 210. All right. Now, what I will say is, will Apple just do 220 all the way to 217 or 221 all the way to 217? It's still possible that Apple does that. But at this point, let's watch if Apple will not see a 223 level and then bounce back, reject as he did here, and then we could see this 217 level, reject the 217 level, then we have 214 level. Anything less than that, we could see 212 to 210 level. So those are the level that I am working on. 221 level bounce all the way to that 219, back to 217 and all the way to 214, probably 210 level, guys. Now, upper level, like I always say, 223, probably up to 225. My next stock, guys, will be SPY. SPY is on the bearish downtrend, guys. 575 all the way to 555, trace 562 level. It reject the 563.90 all the way to 556. Have a target level all the way to 552 again. The reason why I say 552 is because we are at 557.80, meaning the market went up all the way from 555.92 to 557.80. Reject that, we have 552 level, and then reject the 552 level, we will see 549. I have a target level up to 545, but first, break the 552 level, 549.77, and then 545. My next stock, guys, would be upper level, will be if you have to break the 563 for us to see anything upper than 565 level. All right, guys, next level, next target, next stock will be NVDA. NVDA has been on this trend all the way to 188. We kind of went all the way to 104.65. So we actually left the 108 level as it was actually struggling around here because we had a 108, went to 106, 106 all the way to 106.01 again. And then that's when we break the 104.74 and then went all the way to 114. We are on 109.42, but the market closed at 108.72. If we hold, we could see the 112.13. We reject 112.13. We could see back 107 all the way to 104. I have a target level after 104 to 108.38, guys. All right. So we will be bouncing between the 108 to probably 109. And I will say probably 111 or 112 as the market break above this 109 level and above, guys. So be watchful for those level and probably give it time. All right, guys. So these are the level that I have for this evening. What I will say is for those watching who watch the earning that I usually talk about earning, I did mention about Pay. Pay was one of the stock that I was watching after market, after Oracle. I will say that Pay went all the way up from 25 level to 30. We could see a 32 level, we have to reject the 32 level and probably the stock can go down. Upper than 31, the stock could see a 35 level, probably 36 level. But if we reject, we could still go back down. For those trading also stock Pay was one of those good stock to trade with earning after market. Okay, guys, thank you for watching my video. Thank you for watching my channel. Subscribe, like, comment, and I hope you find value into this. Until next time, this is Trade Best Beat.